Work. Brought to you by Brighter Side Roofing.
Let's talk about your local weather here in the CSRA. A dreary weekend, and some even saw measurable rainfall up to about 1.6 inches. That goes closer towards Bamberg County, and they're still seeing some of the rainfall overnight as well. Here's a look closer towards Bamberg, Barnwell, and Allendale of how much rainfall fell in the last 24 to 36 hours. We had 0.9 for Barnwell, 1 inch of rain down towards Allendale, and 1.5 inches of rain closer towards Earhart and Bamberg near the city. But this was a very area-specific forecast, because if you take a look towards Augusta and in between North Augusta, about 0.5 inches of rain, and anywhere else didn't really see any measurable precipitation, but they did see a little bit of a drizzle for the day. A lot of those clouds are clearing as we head into those overnight and morning hours. Here's a look at 2 a.m. The showers dwindle down in those hours, and this starts to shift back out towards the coast where the system came from. And then we have the sunshine heading into the holiday for tomorrow. I am thinking a little bit of cloud coverage could start to accumulate when we head into the afternoon hours for tomorrow. This is just a surface low pressure system. It's called a trough, and that's what will bring just a couple of clouds in the afternoon. But we are going to stay nice and warm for tomorrow. High of 80 degrees, winds out of the north between 5 and 10 miles an hour. And we're going to stay in the 80s pretty much the majority of this week, mainly because we have a shift in the jet stream. The jet stream will stay up towards the north. This will give us kind of that heat dome effect, but here in the fall season. So that's going to keep the rainfall at a minimum. It's going to keep the highs into the 80s. Some areas may even top out into the mid 80s when we reach about Wednesday. This jet stream starts to shift more into a zonal flow when we head into the later week and into the weekend as well. That'll drop temperatures more to average for this time of the year. But I am thinking we could be seeing our first 40-degree morning of the season so far, 49 degrees for Friday morning after a cold front moves through. So we're going to see those decreasing clouds Friday after that cold front moves through. You can see the temperatures do reflect there from that passing cold front. 77 for Friday afternoon, but 49 for that morning low. Not everybody will see those 40s, mainly just those northern counties. Augusta possibly as well. 50 degrees for a morning low into the weekend, and our next system is looking to be on track for late next Sunday into next Monday.